You know what I am going to do today? Today I am going to show you how to make fruit salad. The fruit salad, when you say, there is a proper way of doing the fruit salad. All of you make fruit salad, but are you doing the proper way? Today I am going to show you how to make it in the proper way. First thing what I am going to do is, I take a bowl and I put the fruit juice and the water. Mixed fruit cordial I am using into a bowl. So mixed fruit cordial about 2 dessert spoon and 2 dessert spoons, that is 1 tablespoon of the water. Then we use condensed milk. That's also about a tablespoon or little more even, doesn't matter. Mix that also to it. And I need a little vanilla essence. Mix all that together and keep aside. Now what I am going to do, I took a bowl. In this bowl, I am going to use the pineapple, which is cut into small square pieces. Along with the pineapple, use the apple so that it doesn't get discolored. Pineapple is more acidic. When it is more acidic, if I use the apple into that, it doesn't become discolored. Along with that, we add a little sugar. Then I use the mangoes and I am going to use the papaya. Now again I use a little sugar, not a lot but a little sugar. Mixed all that together. In layers we have put. Once we put in layers, now we are using the condensed milk, fruit juice and water with vanilla essence. Slightly mix it so that all that will go into it. Now I am going to use the grapes, green or the grapes that you like, and cherries. And the other thing is, cherries also we put. I had a little more of the juice which I am putting now on top. And if you like, you can use a little whipping cream here. Lovely. That will go in when they are serving. This will go in. If you like, you can use a tablespoon of ice cream also. Now this is actually ready to serve. So please, you can have this as a dessert any time of the day. This is my version of the fruit salad. You can have this fruit salad. It's delicious and it's very tasty. After a meal, after lunch, after dinner, you could serve it. Try it out and see and let us know how it is, so that I will be happy to do many more nice preparation for you.